Hello all, I am Pallavi Sangle and I welcome you all in this Mains 2025 Current Affairs series. Today's topic is Gaganyan. This is the third topic in this series. We have already uploaded two previous topics. We are going to see PYQs of Gaganyan related questions in UPSC Mains, objectives, current status of Gaganyan mission, its important components, technicalities from the point of view of UPSC Mains examination, significance and challenges involved. Let us start. These are the previous year questions which UPSC has asked on topics related to ISRO's launches or various important space happenings in the world. So, ISRO has already asked a question on unmanned space missions like Chandrayaan and Mars orbiter missions. India has achieved these unmanned space missions but has not ventured into the manned space mission. This is the 2017 question. So there is a possibility that if India is launching a manned space mission, UPSC might ask a question again. Right, so it was asking obstacles in launching the manned mission in technology and logistical point of view. Then second question UPSC asked is about James Webb Telescope. That means if whatever space important happening is there in news, UPSC may ask question on that. In 2022, UPSC asked this question. Then it has also asked about India's third moon mission. List the country which has achieved this task and then subsystem in the spacecraft launched and all the technicalities, virtual launch control centers, everything. So UPSC is also expecting candidates to know technicalities of any important ISRO space mission or world space happening. So from all the point of view of this PYQs, we will prepare the Gaganyan topic. So as we all know, Gaganyan is a demonstration of human space flight capabilities by ISRO and India as a nation. The mission is for low Earth orbit, it will be revolving around 400 kilometer to Earth for 3 days, and 3 members will be participating in this mission. So the latest happening is that this Gaganyan manned mission is postponed to first quarter of 2027. This is the usual timeline of ISRO which was expected to be followed. That first all this normal test will happen, integrated airdrop test, test vehicle missions, pad abort test, then unmanned flights will happen, and then manned flight will happen. So we are in this stage now that we are planning for an unmanned flight in the last quarter of 2025, late 2025. So this is just a chart where the picture will be clear what is exactly happening. So this pad abort test, which is ground based test of crew escape system, and other tests like test vehicle mission 1, TVD1, TVD2, TVD3 and 4. All these things are important from the abort mission point of view. If any challenges happens, this will be helpful. So PAT is done already, and then TVD1 is completed in October 2023. Other TVD2 and TVD3 and 4 are launched and planned to be done in 2025 and after that. So for uncrewed mission 1, so it will be an orbital flight with crew module for safe re-entry test. So this is just the technical demonstration of whatever module and whatever things are developed and tested by ISRO. So it will be doing that first mission for that all tests and a successful completion and re-entry of the mission. Then uncrewed mission 2, that means unmanned mission 2, it will be testing the validate the life support, orbital and recovery operations and humanoid robot Vyomamitra. Right, Vyomamitra will be sent in this stage so that we will be sure of our technological capabilities for a manned mission. This is expected in early 2026. And then the last and important crewed mission, that is manned mission, 3 Indian astronauts will go to low Earth orbit for 3 days, and it is postponed to first quarter of 2027. So I hope the picture is clear. This is happening 2027 first quarter. This is happening in late 2025 and 2026. And TV D1 is done. TV D2, 3, 4 are expected to be launched and planned. And PAT is done and IADT is already done. Okay, if you write all these technical words, terms and understanding in your paper, it will be very helpful for you to score good marks in such questions. So ISRO is using this LVM-3 rocket engine for the Gaganyan. It is the heaviest system of ISRO launching vehicle, but it is reconfigured to suit the human aspect in it. So human rated LV-M3 engine and spacecraft will be used for the Gaganyan launch. It is a 3-stage system where solid propulsion is there, liquid stage is there, and cryogenic stage is there. So for this solid propulsion system, solid booster static test is already done, completed. Then for this liquid stage Vikas engine, it has already qualified the test, and this engine is successfully tested. And then cryo stage engine qualification tests are also done. These are another few technical details of what is the stage of our mission. Then this is orbital module. All these images are taken from ISRO, and I know it is little blurred, but it was available like that only. So orbital module, this is where the crew module and service module will be deployed, and then crew model is the model in which the astronauts will fly to the space, and the all type of life earth like earth life support system environment, right, and space and training facilities and coordination, everything which the astronauts will be doing, it will be happening in this, because this module will have a life support system and all other things which are needed for the astronauts. And then this is the service model which will be supporting the crew model, right? So this is the important aspect. Then after these technicalities and the stages and timeline of this mission, the real part is significance of this mission and challenges involved in this mission. So for significance, of course, this mission will be a stepping stone towards Bharatiya Antariksha Station 2035, which is being planned, and manned lunar mission by 2040 for ISRO. So this is an important happening where India is aspiring to go for such an independent technological things by 2035 and 2040, and this Gaganyan is the is the very important step to achieve BAS and lunar afterwards. Then industrial growth is bound to happen due to Gaganyan, because 60% of the parts of Gaganyan are being sourced from Indian industry and private sector, right? So it is very important for Indian industrial growth in space sector. So this kind of missions give push towards that industrial growth in the particular sector. Then job creation is bound to happen. For example, this Gaganyan single mission needs, according to one estimate, 900 additional personnel to work in the system, and plus 15,000 direct jobs will be created by this mission. So this is a very huge impact in the space sector and job creation sector. Then there are other benefits of this space missions. Various spin-off technologies in the past have been developed due to various space missions. For example, the technology of MRI, advanced water filtration technique, and also various heart implants. All these things were developed with the help of space missions. So this Gaganyan mission is also having lots of potential to develop some spin-off technology in it. Then there is a significance of technological denial to technological independence for India. For example, in the past, in 1990s, USA had denied that cryo engine technology to India, and due to which India's space progress was delayed by 2 decades almost. Right, so this is an Indian Express editorial from which I am taking all this information. So all these points are very relevant if we consider the Indian space aspirations in manned missions. We will never be pressurized by the Western countries if we develop our own independent technologies and capabilities. Then next important significance is startup boost. We all know that India's various space startups are being developed, and ISRO has done the Vyoma Space MOU with Vyoma Space startup, and it is actively taking support from various startup to build this Gaganyan mission. This will give further boost to various startups and employment generation in space sector in India. Then there are so many other benefits, like youth of this country will get inspiration, then industry academia collaboration will happen, and so many other benefits which you can write. Then there will be some challenge. There are some challenges for this mission, Technological alignments. This is a very important aspect which India is experiencing due to Gaganyan mission, that we lack the important technology for manned mission, and so it is being little challenging to cope up and to develop all these technologies. Then testing infrastructure limitations. So ISRO also lacks the advanced human space flight test facilities. It is building it, that Indian human space flight center in Bengaluru. Everything is being done, but still India lacks the uh, advanced technologies in this aspect. Then India is taking help of other countries, and slowly we are very hopeful that after some days and or 1 or 2 years, we will have a full-fledged capabilities on our own to do all these things. Budget is also is a constraint. It was initially 1.1 billion around for this Gaganyan mission, which is increased to now 2.32 billion by February 2025 due to addition of Bharatiya Antariksha Station and all other things. In COVID, this mission suffered a lot due for supply chain issues. So all these things, the budget is increasing, and this is putting additional burden in terms of monetary things. Then there are so many other challenges, like we are going into race of developing all these space missions and everything. We are adding to the space debris, and there will be some other in general challenges which you will be able to write. So considering all these aspects, in spite of all these challenges, India's Gaganyan is a very, very important mission. It is not just mission, it is the testament to national aspirations, right? Like it will prove the scientific excellence of India, and it will pave the way for future many such explorations. So thank you for this topic. The handouts are already uploaded on the Telegram channel. Please go and see it, and see you soon in the next topic in this current affairs series. Thank you.